Is it normal to go all day without talking to your partner, or are you slowly being detached? Let's be real. A relationship shouldn't feel like you're dating someone's free time. If y'all are locked in, why do you only exist when it's convenient? Because silence isn't always peace, and sometimes silence is somebody emotionally packing their bags while still living in your life. And I'm not talking about just one busy day, I'm talking about like a pattern. So, the kind where you text good morning and it sits there like a receipt. You don't hear from them until midnight, and now they're suddenly missing you. Or they got time to scroll, post, laugh, and everybody else and everything else, but forget to check in with you. You may be calling it space, but it's really emotional distance. You feel anxious all day, then guilty for wanting basic communication, which you shouldn't. No, baby, that's not normal. That's a slow detachment. And what's really happening most of the time? Not all the time. Some people don't break up with you. They starve the relationship until you just give up. That way they can say you left instead of admitting they stopped showing up. And that mess is disrespectful. Here's the lesson. Healthy love doesn't make you beg for presents. Communication isn't a luxury in a relationship. It's the bare minimum. Now, yes, adults get busy. People get busy. People work. People have kids. Life gets heavy. But if they can go all day without one check-in, I'm slammed, but I'm thinking about you. I'll give you a call later. Then you're not asking for too much. You're asking the wrong person. I want you to check yourself with these questions. Is it an occasional this happens, or is it a pattern? Do they communicate better with everyone else than they do with you? When you bring it up, do they fix it, or do they flip it on you? Do you feel calm in this relationship or constantly confused? Could it be that they are busy, or are they avoiding intimacy and responsibility? If you stopped reaching out first, would y'all even talk? Do they make you feel loved or just available? Ask yourself these questions. Here's the boundary. Listen, I'm not asking for 24/7 conversation, but going all day without speaking makes me feel disconnected. I need consistent communication. If that's too much for you, be honest so I can move accordingly. Right there. Wait for the response. Because love with no effort turns into loneliness with a title. Now, be honest. If they can go all day without talking to you, do they miss you? Or do they just like having you around? Ask yourself. And don't forget, if you're not following me, follow me. Learn more. Thank you.